What's up, guys? Welcome to Web Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to log in to Spotify on an Android device. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you install or update the Spotify application on your phone. So simply go to the Play Store and search Spotify. Now, if you don't have it installed, this button will read install, but since I have mine installed, all I can do now is update the existing app on the phone and simply wait for it to download and install. Once it's finished installing, you can now go ahead and look for the Spotify icon. There you go. So tap on it and allow it to launch. And then at the bottom of the first page, you should see the option to log in. Now also, you can use your Google account to log in. You can use your Facebook account to log in, or you can use your phone number to log in or sign up for a Spotify account. You want to go ahead and tap on login at the bottom there. And here, you need your username or email. It's easier to use the email because the username is usually a very complex string of characters. And then the password. So I'll go ahead and enter my email address and password.
A few moments later.
And with my email address and password entered, simply tap on login. Click OK on the next window. And if it's your own phone, then you can choose to save the password in your Google account. If it's not, then you want to tap on never. But since it's my phone, I'll save it. And now I'm logged in to Spotify on my Android device. And that's basically how to log in to Spotify on your own Android device. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.